Hi, everybody. Again, I'm Danielle Esquerda. And remember me? I hope you do. Because if you do remember the name, this is Disney World Marathon Live. Woo! Woo! I'm sorry I didn't be here so long. But today we're going to talk about Mother's Day. Is that exciting? Well, I got my mom some jewelry. It's a necklace from Kay Jewelers. And Anna got a bracelet from Kay Jewelers. And it was a sweet thing. And also, we gave her the present that we made at school. It was so much fun.
Help!
What was that? It's Anna! What's going on the stairs? Hope she's okay. Look at her! Oh my God! What's going on the stairs? Quick! Anna, I'll save you! Wait, what should I say? Anna! Are you okay? Speak to me!
I love.
Why? What? Anna's alive? Huh? Wow, Anna is alive. That's cool. We like kiddings, right, Anna? Kiddings, 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 kiddings. Okay, since we have more time, we can talk about more on our weblog. Yay! Well, Marathon Live. Yay! Well, let's sit here on the couch. Well,
Show the
see.
candy.
No, Anna. No, Anna.
Show me.
No, Anna. Anna.